Remodeling your bathroom but not sure what kind of paint to use to avoid peeling, mildew, and endless touch-ups? Don't worry. In today's video, NDN House is here to walk you through the best tips for choosing the right bathroom paint, so you can save time, effort, and money. Part 1. Wall color affects mirror reflections. 1. Wall color affects mirror reflections. Stick with neutrals like white, cream, light gray, or pastels. They're calming, clean-looking, and flattering in the mirror. These soft shades don't distort your skin tone under light. Avoid bold blues or greens, which can highlight dark circles and blemishes, especially under bathroom lighting. Part 2. Choose mold-resistant paint. 2. Paint should resist mold and mildew. Bathrooms are humid and prone to mold, especially if poorly ventilated. Choose paints with antimicrobial additives to stop mold in its tracks. Top recommendations include Benjamin Moore's Aura Bath & Spa Matte Finish, Benjamin Moore. Zinsser's Perma White, Amazon. These paints kill existing mold and prevent new growth. Part 3. Use a moisture-resistant primer. 3. Use a moisture-resistant primer first. Prevent peeling caused by steam and moisture with a primer like Kiehl's Kitchen and Bath Primer, Amazon. This base layer helps your top coat last longer and stick better, saving you touch-up time in the future. Part 4. Choose the right sheen. 4. Semi-gloss or high-gloss paint is easier to clean. Not into mold-resistant paint? Try a semi-gloss or high-gloss finish instead. Glossy paint doesn't stop mold, but it's easy to wipe down and maintain. For less shine, go with satin, still cleanable but subtler. Part 5. Don't skip the prep work. Don't skip the prep. Before painting, be sure to clean walls with a water bleach mix. Tape off corners and trim with painter's tape. Cover the floor and fixtures with plastic or drop cloths. Let the paint dry for a couple of days before using hot water. Good ventilation is key. Open windows or vents to help it last longer. We hope NDN House has helped you feel more confident about choosing the right bathroom paint. All the products mentioned are available on Amazon. Just check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share it with friends, and drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for sticking with NDN House.